Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic for all the beginners out there who are interested in raising Coturnix quail. These small and fascinating birds can be a great addition to your homestead or backyard. So, let's dive into some essential tips to get you started on your quail raising journey. Tip 1. Choosing the right quail breed. First things first, it's important to choose the right quail breed for your needs. Coturnix quail, also known as Japanese quail, are a popular choice due to their small size, adaptability, and fast maturity rate. They are great for egg production and can also be raised for meat. However, there are other quail breeds available as well. Do some research and consider your specific goals and preferences before making a decision. Tip 2. Providing adequate housing. Next up, let's talk about housing. Quails need a safe and comfortable living environment. A well-ventilated coop or cage with enough space is essential. There are wire-bottom cages for quail, or if you prefer the bedded cages, make sure to provide proper bedding material, such as pine shavings, fine-cut straw, or hemp to keep them warm and cozy. Remember to consider predator protection as well. Quails are vulnerable to various predators, so ensure your coop has sturdy fencing and secure locks to keep them safe. Tip 3. Proper nutrition and watering. Quails have specific dietary needs, so it's crucial to provide them with a balanced diet. High-quality quail feed or game bird feed is readily available and provides the necessary nutrients for their optimal growth and egg production. Additionally, make sure to provide fresh water at all times. Quails are sensitive to dehydration, so clean and refill their water containers regularly. Tip 4. Managing temperature and lighting for Coturnix quail. Maintaining the right temperature and lighting conditions is vital for the well-being of your quail. Depending on the age of the quail, adult quail are quite hardy and can withstand a range of temperatures. However, if you want premium eggs, be sure to not let the temperature drop below freezing. Mature Coturnix quail prefer a temperature range of around 65–75 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use heat lamps or brooders to regulate the temperature depending on age, especially during colder months. As for lighting, quails need about 14 to 16 hours of light per day for optimal egg production. You can use artificial lighting or natural sunlight, depending on your setup. Tip 5. Monitoring health and hygiene. Lastly, keep a close eye on the health and hygiene of your quails. Regularly inspect them for any signs of illness or injury. Provide them with clean and dry bedding to prevent the buildup of bacteria and parasites. If you notice any health issues, consult a veterinarian who specializes in avian care. And there you have it, our essential tips for beginners in raising Coturnix quail. For more in-depth information on hatching and rearing chicks, please visit the website at breezybirdfarms.com. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, happy quail raising!